Welcome to another video by Dale Wheatley, founder at theoptionshunter.com. Subscribe to our channel at the end of this video, and let's start your journey to financial freedom.
Good evening, everyone. It's about 9 minutes past 6 p.m. On Thursday. December, June 12th. Short-term chart this morning. Nice divergence, pretty easy to see on the 5-minute chart on the volatility index, and that was matched. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for a match. So what volatility shows, expect to see the market show the same thing in reverse. And that's exactly what happened this morning. First thing this morning, a little bit after the open, so you have plenty of time. So it wasn't present yesterday. See, the price was up here yesterday. Well, how do you compare that to, to what price? What are you comparing it to? But you have a comparison this morning. You see what I'm saying? It's not a difficult thing to do if you just keep it in your mind. You have to keep the idea in your mind that what you're looking for is a pattern. It has to be the exact pattern. So no matter how difficult that is, no matter how much you have to sit on your hands or, twiddle your thumbs or whatever you have to do, that's what you have to do. I don't know what to tell you. Other than same thing I've said for umpteen years, right? I'm looking for a pattern. That's what I am as a pattern trader. I'm not a position trader. I'm not a day trader. I'm not any kind of a, trader that they make out to be in some kind of a novel or something like that. I'm just looking for a pattern. And the pattern says something's going to happen. Well, what's going to happen? Well, the options will move. That's what's going to happen. That's all I'm interested in. So I'm only interested in what the options prices do. So the market was under 600 this morning, and the options 600 and above. Have to give it some time. So it's today is the 12th. So looking at 605, let's say. See if that's cheap enough. Yeah, that's cheap enough. You say 9 cents, huh? Cheap enough. So to 54 cents in the first, what is that? By 11 o'clock. So an hour and a half, you have from 9 cents to 54 cents, So what is it? Let me see. I think that's 6 times your money, right? Right? Think, huh? Just 10 times your money is, what would be, see, from 9 cents to 60 cents or 60 something cents would be 7 times your money. So this would be about 6 times your money. So in short order. So, and that was the details we're looking for. Let's see if it's present in the other indexes. Same time frame. No, don't really see it on the cues. It doesn't really stand out as much. See what I'm saying? Yeah, it was above the signal line. Yeah, it's kind of looking like it's going to do the same thing, but it's yeah, take a look at the cues. See what it has. Yeah. But if it doesn't have the pattern, that and I'm a little skeptical of it, Not that it won't move. It's just that the confidence factor is not there. It's a pretty easy thing to figure out and justify. see. Oops. Oh, 25. Got a year ahead of myself. So let's see, that was too expensive. 23 cents. 93 cents. See, that's what I'm saying. The pattern is not as detailed, so therefore it doesn't produce the same dynamic, you know. It's simplicity is what we're looking for, not complication. And so let's see that. Oh, that pattern looks. Oh, it's kind of looked like that. It kind of look. If you have to do that much work, then this is what you get. You get nothing out of it. And you get a very difficult trading circumstances. I'll pass. I was going to pass anyway. So I'll pass again. See, uh, the, the sun is, yeah, kind of detail, but it took a while. It 11:30, so it didn't match up with what we're talking about. So, yeah, and it didn't have the pattern at 9:30, so yeah, it's not what I'm looking for. So there's no sense in even looking at the options, because they don't have the features. So let's see. Oh, by the way, the USO. Isn't that the doggonest thing that it keeps moving higher? Remember I told you guys about the USO a couple of weeks ago? Let's see. Hate to say it, but let's see, on the 30th of last month, it was $66, and now it's 75. You see what I'm saying? So I'm getting a pretty good opportunity on something like that. So the ERX, the leveraged oil index, doing well. Didn't have quite the same features though, but still produces. So the USO had a distinctive daily chart feature. Yeah, right here. See, this was on the 5th of May and had a distinctive divergence. So those have been a little bit more than a month, right? So then it came up, it stalled a little bit, just like the major markets. And then something got underneath it and lifted it back up, right? Something like lower time frames, you know, they just lift it up. So not where you can distinguish it for options trading purposes so much. So because where's the pattern? Where's the double bottom and the strong upside divergence that's going to push the price and compel it to move, and it's not a compelling argument that I can make there, but it is moving higher and the daily chart is still strong. Well, look for yourself. I mean, it is or it isn't. Yeah. MACD on the daily chart keeps advancing, right? Even though it's been a day or two where it had some backing and filling. Yeah. Well, that seems to be in the rear view mirror a long way off now. See? Everybody would just believe me. I don't know. It's hard to tell everybody something and then watch it produce and say, wait, how much has everybody made? And everybody keeps looking at each other. So like, I didn't make anything. You make anything? What are you talking about? I didn't make any money. I'm just looking at something, just staring at the death. Yeah. Well, that's what happens. You stare it to death. You don't make any money. So if you take your money and put it where you see the opportunities like this, makes a big, big, big difference in the way you view life. So you get that down, you got it all down. Talk to you later.